हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो मॅम.
103 चालू होतं ना आपलं. हॅलो हॅलो बोला ना कोणीतरी. 103 चालू आहे ना. एम आय ऑडिबल? हॅलो एम आय ऑडिबल नाव?
हॅलो मॅम.
Yes, ma'am.
103 चालू होतं ना आपलं.
हो मॅम.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what we have learned here की आपल्याला we have to see the several patients at a time so that we will get the proper totality of the symptom, and for that acute character and to prevent it to turn into the chronic one, what we have to treat, we have to treat first the acute sora, because that acute sora is responsible for all these type of diseases. So we have to see the minute character of these acute sora, and we will get the n number of symptoms when we are treating, or when we are examining the number of patients as to the whole sphere of their symptoms. So that I am telling you in the first session ki the whole circle or that sphere will get completed when we are observing the number of patients in a such a manner more minute than he has been ever done before. So बहुत छोटे छोटे characteristics वहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे, so that that circle will be completed. For then, one patient only exhibit a portion of their symptoms. So, 16 कुछ सिम्टम्स, जैसे मैंने कोविड का एग्जांपल लिया था अभी कि कुछ सिम्टम्स पहले पेशेंट में मिले, फिर दूसरे पेशेंट में दूसरे प्रेजेंटेशन मिले. द सिमिलरली दैट एक्यूट कैरेक्टर विल शो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ द पेशेंट. सो जैसे ससेप्टिबिलिटी जितना वो उसकी तरफ प्रोन होगा, ही विल शो द साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स which also are but portion of totality of the symptom which constitute the entire extent of the malady. So छोटा छोटा portion बना मिला के we have to get or we have to complete the entire extent of that malady, so that the whole array means the arrangement of the symptom will be completed belonging to such miasmatic chronic disease. So ये जो miasms है which are responsible for the chronic disease, if you cut it in that acute phase only, so we have to collect all the symptoms, we have to collect all the portions of their manifestation from the several patients, especially which are related to the sora. Why it is given especially to the sora? Because this sora, which is a non-venereal miasm that we have seen, it is a very contagious miasm. It is transmitted from one person to another person. एक सेकंड ना, एक सेकंड. So we have to collect all the portions of these. Hello? आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नॉन वेनरल आणि म्हणूनच आपल्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट असल्यामुळे बरेच पेशंट बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्याचा टोटॅलिटी परफेक्ट मिळणार. Can only be ascertained from the observation of many single patients affected with a chronic disease and without a complete recovery and collective picture of the symptoms of medicine capable of curing the whole malady. बरं ठीक आहे, आपण राहिलेला पोर्शन उद्या घ्यायचा का?
हो मॅम.
आवाज आहे तुम्हाला, माझा आवाज येतोय का? पण बॅकग्राऊंड साऊंड पण खूप आहे आज. आपण उद्या कंटिन्यू करू. याच्यामध्ये काही कोणाला डाऊट आहे 102 पर्यंत? 102 पर्यंत काही डाऊट आहे? 101 मध्ये आपण बघितलं रिलेटेड टू द एपिडेमिक डिसीज. 102 मध्ये पण आपण परत एपिडेमिक डिसीजचं बघितलं. So these are all the aphorisms which are related to the epidemic diseases which are of acute character. Clear आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
काय विचारायचं आहे कोणाला याच्यात? 101, 102 आणि 103 मध्ये? 10
हो मॅम.
ठीक आहे. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue again because today I am having a lot of work at my house and there is a lot of background sound also. So it is not possible me to concentrate on this. So tomorrow we will take from the aphorism 103. Okay? Do you have any notification regarding the examination?
No ma'am.
In which month it will be started? Any idea? No. No one? Okay, let it be. Tejaswini, please take the attendance and post it on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am ending this meeting here. We will meet tomorrow from the aphorism number 103. Okay.